Hello my lovely Aquarius, I welcome you all in my channel, in my video. So this is your bonus love reading for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, then you can skip it out, you can leave it, okay Aquarius, because it's not going to resonate with all. Okay, so let's see, and this is your general love bonus reading for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Okay, let's see what are the bonus messages. You can check my main basic reading if you want to know your basic reading. Okay, main reading, you can go to the video and have a look on it, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and let me know in the comment section if you want to ask anything. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful lovely magical beings Aquarius all over the world. Help me out. 2 messages. Yeah, birth and the chariot. Wow, Aquarius. Wow, and rebirth was there in your main reading too. Okay, so yeah, beautiful message. Birth, you are going through rebirth Aquarius for sure. I got this message in your main reading too. So yeah, universal energies bring you opportunity and possibility. Beautiful message for you, birth. Something new is coming towards you, new opportunities, new possibilities coming towards you Aquarius. And the chariot, charge ahead with confidence, stay strong and focus. Beautiful message from the universe Aquarius. Wow, I love the message. And let's see what else I can deliver you. What are the messages for my beautiful I got it. Mountain, know that you are protected as you face challenges, but remain cautious. Wow, can you see a sun is there? It's brightening. So you are, moving ahead from these challenges. You are trusting God Aquarius. You are surrendering yourself to the divine. That was also your main energy in the main reading too. That you are trusting universe. You have to trust universe. You have to trust the divine, that he is having the best plans for you. That's why you are moving ahead with confidence. You are moving ahead with confidence. Okay, and that's very important. Wow, Phoenix, be prepared to be renewal after a period of crisis. Exact message I'm getting for you Aquarius. Beautiful. Let me adjust my cards so that you can also see them. Okay, and the bottom of the deck I'm having sun. New beginnings Aquarius, new beginnings, because you are already crossing every test from which were you are going through. The universe always take tests that whether you have learned your lesson or not, and once you learn your lesson, God is going to bless you Aquarius. So be prepared to be renewed after a period of crisis. Let me see what else I can tell you. Any other message which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Any other message which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Any other message which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? No. Okay. Wow. Bottom of the deck is eagle. I am going to tell you this too. So you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. Yes Aquarius, you will see your clarity. You are getting your clarity, and that was also there in your main reading with this Ace of Swords. This is Ace of Swords energy. You are getting your clarity because you are moving ahead with whole confidence. So be prepared Aquarius, be prepared to get renewed after a critical crisis, after a period of crisis. Whatever you are going through, it's over. Okay, because you are already learning your lessons. You have learned your lesson. You are moving away. You have crossed this test. That's why you're receiving your gifts. Now it's your time to get the gifts from the universe. Know that you are protected as you face your challenges. You faced your challenges as a warrior. Okay, you are rising as a warrior. Okay, so beautiful. You just have to charge ahead with confidence. Stay strong and focus. Chariot energy, Aquarius. Okay, beautiful, lovely messages. And birth, something new is going to start because you are completing your cycle. A karmic cycle is completing. Okay, so you are taking birth. Universal energy brings you opportunity and possibilities which you were waiting for. Let's add what are the messages from this energy oracle deck. And I love this deck. This is very energetic deck, I can say. They speak a lot. I love my decks, by the way. I say this in every video, because I'm in love my decks. They are beautiful. I love them. I love the energy of these. Let's see what they want to know, what they want to tell you, what they want to tell my lovely Aquarius from all over the world. Let's see. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? What are the messages you want me to deliver? Door to spirit is open, Aquarius. Yes, you are already being protected by the spirit. So they are helping you out now. It's open, so you already having a backup. Okay, from the angels, guides, God, you are already have a backup from door to spirit is open. Broken heart, yeah, some relationship was, you were in a relationship after which you are feeling like a broken heart. Your heart is broken by this person, but you don't deserve it, Aquarius, I can say you, because that person was deceptive. Okay, that person was toxic, so you are already releasing that toxic relationships and person, but right now you're feeling like a broken heart. Okay, so 2 temple path. You just have to become, maybe you have to choose this temple path. You have to become more spiritual. You are taking this temple path. You have to release the attachment. If you are having it, you have to release this attachment. Can you see a girl is there who is tied up in this chain? Can you see it? So you have to release yourself from those attachment of toxic people and relationships. Just leave them and move ahead. Okay. So yeah, I'm having one more beautiful message. Blossoming abundance. You are already abundant, Aquarius. You just have to look towards you. You just have to look on the greater positive things which you have achieved in your life. You have become a better person in your life now. Okay. So yeah, you are already, you have to just, if you have not released yet, just release those attachment of toxic things. Because once we were in a relationship, when we are in a toxic relationship, some residuals of it being left in ourselves. Okay, so you just need to release that toxic patterns or toxic things inside which are there in you. Okay, you have to choose the temple path. What is the temple path? Being more spiritual. Okay, Aquarius, just trust the God and divine. Okay, you are already having blossoming abundance. Yes, some of you are feeling anxiety right now. Don't feel anxiety, Aquarius. Don't feel it out. Maybe some of you are feeling very anxiety right now, that what is going to happen. But don't worry. You are already having a back from the spirit world. Okay, Aquarius? Yeah, community is working. See, I'm having bottom of the deck is community. Community is working for best with you. Okay, for you. Community is working for you. Any other message you want to tell me? Don't feel anxiety. Okay, just flip out. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Yeah, beautiful. 1 minute. I need to read it out from my book. Emotions of desire, life force energy. Solar plexus chakra. Yeah, you are receiving third chakra energy, solar plexus energy. You are receiving it. Archangel Chamuel is there to help you out. Wow, wow, wow. A woman holding a heart. Either this is you or your partner. Okay, someone wants to offer you a heart, or you want your heart to be given to some person who will take care of it. Goddess of the moon. See what I'm having at the bottom of the deck. Happy family card. So yeah, Aquarius, you are the goddess of the moon. You don't have to worry about it anything in your life. Okay, Aquarius, you will soon receive your offer. If okay, so yeah, maybe some of you are searching for your soulmate. You will soon meet your soulmate once you release this attachment, the burdens, the 10 of wands energy, intuitions going within the hermit mode. Basically, this card shows an eternal spirit holding bright reflective moon and standing in front of the crystal clear waters of a sparkling waterfall. Her arms are stretched upright and receiving the light of the moon and light of inspiration. Yes, some of you are requiring inspiration and you're already receiving it, Aquarius. This card is all about intuition, the ability to receive insights from your soul point of view. Receiving the card upright tells you that you have a power to get intuitive information on all types of issue, and now is the time to use it, Aquarius. The god of moon brings you all sort of information from the mundane to the spectacular. For instance, you could get the urge to take a different route home from a work and find out later that you have avoided a 3-hour traffic jam. Yeah, you are born intuitive, Aquarius. That's why you are getting this card too. Some of you are becoming more intuitive because you are getting the goddess of moon. Okay, Aquarius, so hold your vision, trust yourself, trust your intuitions, Aquarius. Maybe your soul wants to tell you something. See it again, flip out. Happy family card. Soon you are going to get this energy, Aquarius. Happy family. Very beautiful energy, Aquarius. And what I'm having it. What that's what I was telling you. A man holding a heart. See, a woman holding a card. Yes, you are soon going to meet your soulmate. Okay, Aquarius. Someone wants to give you their heart and you also want to give them heart. Okay, you just have to trust the intuition, what your heart is telling you. Don't use your mind, listen to your soul, what your heart, what your soul wants to tell you, so that you can achieve this happy family. Okay, Aquarius, beautiful message. So these were your bonus messages, Aquarius. Beautiful reading. I am getting beautiful energy. Maybe right now you are feeling like a broken heart. Someone broke your heart, Aquarius. But don't worry. You are choosing this temple path, the spiritual path for your journey. Okay, you are trusting the universe. So that's why you are getting this beautiful abundance towards you. Still you are feeling anxiety, Aquarius. Leave it out. Leave that anxiety and attachments. Throw out these toxic things from your life, so that you can achieve what you want to achieve. You want to achieve this happy family. How beautiful energy, you want to achieve it, and you are receiving your things because you are getting more intuitive. You just have to listen to your soul. You want to give your heart to your soulmate. You want your heart given to someone who will take care of it, and yes, you are going to receive it soon, because some person is going to enter in your life who also wants to share their heart with you. Beautiful energy. See, wow, there is a twin flame for you, waiting for you. Once you release these attachments, release these things, you will receive your gift, Aquarius. And there is third chakra activating in yourself. Okay, whatever desire, personal growth, family, you are love, heart, basically solar plexus chakra, you are getting open now. Beautiful, Aquarius. Wow. So let's see what the soul journey lesson cards. Beautiful cards, because it tells the lessons your soul journey is right now going through. Let's see. What are the messages from this soul journey lesson card? Let me arrange my cards. Let's see. This is the new deck which I have received, so I have not used it. I have not used it so well, but I am using it now. Let's see what soul journey lesson my Aquarius is going through. Maybe what soul journey they have to know, they have to learn. Let's see what are the messages you want me to tell for my exact message. Okay, what I was thinking right now. Okay, some of you are feeling loneliness, but don't worry, Aquarius, you are never alone. You have to learn this lesson that you are never alone. You are feeling loneliness. I know that I am never alone. You have to learn this lesson. Your soul wants to learn this lesson basically, Aquarius. You have to learn this lesson if you have not learned yet. Second lesson is worry. I'm learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. So you don't have to overthink about it. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to take stress for it. Okay, you can't change the outcome, Aquarius. You can only try your level best, only put your efforts, and that's what you are already done it. You already done all the efforts, whatever you can put into it, you are already done it. So you don't have to worry about it. Relationships, I am attracted to those people who serve my higher good. That is the very important lesson your soul have to learn, that you only you only attracted to the people who serve your higher good. You don't have to be attracted to toxic relationships or toxic persons, Aquarius. Choose carefully. Okay, so these three were the lessons which you need to learn. Your soul needs to learn. Doubt, I release the need to know all the answers. Maybe you are doubting, maybe you are finding some answers, you are doubting yourself. So release that doubt too. Release the need to know all the answers. You will get to know once the time will come. Okay, just wait for the time. You will know the answers. You will know the answers. Release the doubt. Release the doubt if you are having it. Release it. Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Any other lesson which my lovely Aquarius needs to learn right now? Loneliness, worry, relationships, doubt. Any other lesson they need to learn? Any other message you want me to give? Too many messages. I'm not going to take it. Okay, any other lesson? Other message you want me to deliver to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Any other lesson you want me to deliver? Growth. I want to expand my conscious and my awareness. Yes, growth. Growth is your lesson. You just have to focus on this thing, Aquarius, and success is the bottom of the deck. I'm having success. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. Okay, Aquarius. You have to learn this lesson, growth, that you always grow. Whatever happens in your life, whether it is bad or good, you always grow from that experience. Okay, Aquarius. So yeah, you want to expand your conscious and awareness. So just focus on that growth, Aquarius. Don't worry that what will happen next, or not. Don't take tension. Don't worry about it, because you can't change the outcome. You can only put your efforts into it. Self-esteem. I possess gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. Yes, self-esteem. You have to learn this lesson. Very important lesson for your soul's growth. You possess gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. Very beautiful message from the guides. Okay, so these were your messages, Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. Don't feel loneliness. You have to learn this lesson. Beautiful lesson for your soul, Aquarius. You have to know this, that you were never alone. Okay, God is there, universe is there. I am here, Aquarius. 1155. Okay, so loneliness. There, you are not alone. You are never alone, Aquarius. Worry is the second lesson which you need to learn if you have not learned yet, that you can't change the outcome. You can only put your efforts into it. Okay, 1212 is the recording time. Relationship, that you only attracted those person who are there to serve you higher purpose, higher goods. Okay, you only attract those relationships. Don't attract relationships which are not there to serve your higher goods. Okay, which are there to make you a better person. Basically, doubt, release all doubts and fears. You will get your answers. Let the time come. You release the need to know the answers. Okay, growth, very important lesson, Aquarius. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Self-esteem, I possess gift of the soul that benefit me and others. Self-esteem is very important lesson for your soul too. So let's see what else I can tell you out. Let me use this deck, the power of surrender cards. Sometimes we need to surrender something, Aquarius. Okay, surrender. Okay, it just fell out. Okay, so sometimes we need to surrender something in our lives so that we can achieve our goals. Let me collect my cards. It just fell out. So let's see what this surrender card, what you need to surrender in your life. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I have picked up all. Let's see what you need to surrender in your life. What you need to surrender. Let's see. Let's see what you need to surrender in your life to achieve your goal. Help me, God's guide, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out. Okay, 3 messages. Okay, 4 messages. Yeah, beautiful messages, Aquarius. Surrender to silence is your first message. You need to surrender yourself to the silence in quiet meditation or contemplation. Let go and enter the stillness within you. Silence can heal and replenish you. Beautiful message. Surrender to silence. Okay. Surrender to setting limits. It is healthy to set boundaries in relationship. Practice expressing your needs and remember that no is a complete sentence. You have to surrender to setting limits. Maybe you have not 1515 was the recording time. Okay, so you have not set up limits, boundaries, okay, around you, around people. So you need to surrender limits. Surrender stubbornness. If you are testing up or taking a rigid stance about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you communicate more loving with others and myself. Surrender stubbornness. Maybe some of you are very stubborn. I know, Aquarius, being an Aquarius, I know this, that we are very stubborn. Once if something happened to our mind, we become very stubborn. So you have to surrender stubbornness. Surrender to inner peace. Very important message. Surrender to inner peace. Cultivate inner peace on a daily basis in quiet meditative moments. Focus on the stillness without and enjoy this inner refuge. Others will feel your good vibes too and your life will flow more easily. Okay, you have to surrender to inner peace. These were 4 messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Let's see any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Anything else? Okay, surrender your fear to change. Yeah, change is coming towards you, but can you see? There is a light. There is a very beautiful light. You need to surrender yourself. You have to release this fear of change. Change is always good, Aquarius. Okay, the universe is reminding you that you are cared for always, whether you are afraid of a change in your job, your health, or your relationship, or if you fear aging or death. Repeat the affirmation: I have faith that is all is well. All is well, Aquarius. So you need to surrender yourself from the fear of change. Okay, let me see any other message you want me to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Anything else we need to surrender? Anything else I need to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Any other message you want me to deliver? Any other message you want me to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius? No. Okay. So yeah, these were the 5 messages which you need to surrender, Aquarius. Okay, surrender your fear of change. Change is coming towards you, and always believe that you are getting into a better place than before, Aquarius. Okay, universe is reminding you that you are always being cared. Okay, they are working with you. Always change is for better. Okay, so whatever is happening in your life or whatever is changing right now, surrender to the divine. Surrender that he has a better plans for you. Okay, he knows the best. He wants to always give you the best in your life. Okay, so these were the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Let me add something more. Let me add something more. Okay, so let me add this divine door. Let's see what divine wants to tell you. Divine door, what is there? Behind every door lies adventure, mystery, and inspiration. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius. Let me see. Help me out to give the best positive. Okay, 3 messages. Bless this space. Your scared space hold the soul to bear. Palo Santo sage will clear the air. Okay, bless the space. Beautiful message. Clean the air. It will clean the air. Yes, kiss the ground and touch the sky. Your soul is set now to leap and fly. Beautiful message, Aquarius. Let me adjust my camera. Okay, can you see? Yes. Yes, you are ready to fly, Aquarius. Kiss the ground and touch the sky. Your soul is now set to leap and to fly. Hummingbird sound, nectar of sweetness. Enjoy. It brings the hummingbird healing as a medicine. It sings. Some of you are requiring healing and it is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay. Hummingbird song. And what I am having right now in the bottom of the deck, 1111. Numbers in double. Synchronicity into don't hold back. Your love now. Life is meant for you. If you are repeating numbers, synchronicity, something like that, something beautiful is coming towards you. Passages, spiritual signs of inclination. You are walking through passages of your transformation. Yes, Aquarius, beautiful message. You are becoming, can you see a back? There is a passage. So you are moving through these passages. You are transforming. You are in a transformation stage. So yes, what else I can tell you from this? Let me know if you are having any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Trust the universe. See, well, that's what I'm telling in my all videos today. This is the basic message I'm getting for you in every deck, that you need to trust the universe. Intuition has wandered and led you astray. The timing, not yours, but the universe is at play. Have faith and breathe. Universe has plans for you. You need to trust the universe. Trust the universe, Aquarius. Okay. Any other message you want me to deliver for the beautiful, lovely Aquarius? No. Okay. Just fell out. Offering. Abundance lies in the heart that allows. Share more than expected and see love come around. Offerings. Okay, so share as much as you can. Okay, Aquarius. And abundance lies in the heart that allows you have to be open up more. Okay, be the receptor. Open yourself, be more open to receive. You need to be more open to receive, Aquarius, so that you can receive the love which you deserve. Sunset time here turns to release and unfurl old cords of pain, fade as the sunlights burn. Very important message. That is also an important message in every deck. Sunset. You need to release the old toxic patterns, burdens, everything which you are carrying right now. So these were the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. So I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, trust the universe, Aquarius, and release any burdens or things which you are carrying with you. So in next video, I will upload one more video in which I'm going to use these decks. These are the beautiful decks I am having. Oracle of Fairy, Healing Mantra deck, Everyday Miracles, and messages from the guides. Okay, so let's see what messages do you have. Okay, so I will meet you in my next video. Okay, Aquarius, I hope it helped you out in some manner. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos and messages which I need to deliver to you, which will help you out in some manner. Okay, and see you soon in my next video. Take care, Aquarius. Bye.